Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Jamie and Marco here. Another Sunbeam video. In the last video, you've seen us line up the frame of the shell. The video before that, Ishmael made the chassis. Then we lined up the sides. And yeah, we've got it all set up to weld the sides back on. That's what we're going to be doing in this video. In the last video, Ishmael repaired all the sections of the rear quarter, the inner rear frame. Jamie's getting them all ready for primer. Once he's done that, Ishmael will start welding them back on together. So by the end of this video, we should have the complete frame on the car. And that's what we'll end it. And then the next one, we'll do the front end. So follow along. And by the way, don't forget that 80% of people that are watching our videos are not subscribing. So 80%. Come on guys, subscribe please. Help our channel grow. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. No, I'm just seeing where it goes through. Yeah, I think it'd be fine, Baba.
No, you want this more, Baba. More like this, like this. There.
Like this,
yeah? Yeah. You know, this bottom to here, Baba. End up this, you know, bottom like this. After any minute change, to position or shape.
No, what I'm thinking is, if we weld the seal, this here should be fine, not short. Problem is, we don't know shape until we put the wheels on, right?
He's making, you know, a lineup, Baba. Not mine.
Yeah, I know.
It's not my, you know, I do this lineup now.
But this doesn't give us no problem putting this on now.
I finish it with other frame or you know, inner panel, and then you know, and then which one? This I check this again, this rear quarter, and then after that I start.
Put this one on as well, but
Didn't fit in and then it's like 90, so I reckon it's probably going to be like 70 mil off there.
yeah, you're going to have loads of room.
Yeah. Because what we might be able to do then, I might there as well.
The fuel filter, right next to it. Yeah.
Well, we can come out, go into, because we've got to get a line to the front.
We'll go this through. This side. We're just going to lie it down.
Made the primer not stick to it. And also I got it ready for epoxy primer, and then I just epoxy primer them. Today we're going to grind out all the edges so then we can spot weld and weld on this side onto the actual car.
Why are we grinding them edges?
Well, we don't spot weld, it won't like connect, it won't weld through the primer because it'll be too thick. So I'll grind it down, put some weld proof primer through there, and then that'll be it.
And Hachi, what are you going to do, Hachi? You're going to kill your ball? Hachi will kill his ball? Yeah, there he goes. Alright, yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to get these panels ready for Ishmael to come later, and then by the end of the day we should have this side welded on, can't we? Hey guys, another week, and we got the other side all welded on last week, and we also got the door on this side all put back together. So we got it all lined up, so we know that the door is fine on this side. And now that the door's done and that side is completely welded on, we're able to take this side off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this 3/4 off so I can give it to Jamie to get all the filler off, because there's about 1 centimetre of filler on this rear wing, so that needs all to come off before we can start repairing it like we did the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and then once that's removed we'll be able to put the arch extension, and we'll be able to put the new seal on, fix the inner frame and get it all welded up. So that's the plan for this week. So hopefully that'll be done, and then by the end of the week we should have the frame both sides on. So let's see if we can do this. What you doing here, Baba?
I'm making reinforcement, Baba, from inner door frame, and then I need to try to do this is pattern to make mark, and this exactly same hole to make it later.
For the hinges?
For hinges, yeah.
Right, this is what Ishmael done last night. He stripped all the side down. What we need to do is take it over to the blasters, get all these bits blasted, get all the rust out of them, and then yeah, Ishmael can fix them and put them back together. So this is what the panels look like after they've been blasted. Now Ishmael will check each one of them individually, repair what needs to be repaired, and then we'll primer it and then put it all back together. Hachi? What happened, Booba? What happened? Hachi's tired? Hachi wants to go home? Poor pup. Hey guys, another end of this video, and as you've seen, we've completely put the frame back in the car. We've built the floor, new tubs, new suspension turrets, custom front end. Now the next step will be to put the rear quarters on, but before we do that, we need to build the wide arches for it because we want to be part of the wing, not the bolt-on ones that they usually have. So that'll be coming up in the next video. So thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe because half of you don't subscribe, so help our channel grow if you subscribe. So thanks for doing that, and we'll catch you in the next one.